Are you the guy who sang Chocolate Rain?
No.
Can I have the recording now, please?
I
You say Chocolate Rain again?
bruh.
But the other hydrogen company you should look at is ticker is FCEL, Frank Charlie Echo Lima. GM is talking about purchasing either them or Plug Power because GM's moving towards a hydrogen platform along with electric. So if we get in on this hydrogen game, hydrogen's still like fucking 10, 15 years away, dude. But you get it now.
Hydrogen.
Yeah.
All right, who has the turn that shit off?
Who the fuck's got the original Nokia, bro? I'm gonna mute.
Hey, bro, if you really want me to sing Chocolate Rain, I'll sing it, bro. All right, fine.
Dude, sing Chocolate Rain. Do it.
All right, here we go. Fine.
Here we go, boys. Here we go. Screen record.
Chocolate Rain. Some stay dry and others feel the pain. Chocolate Rain.
Yo.
A baby boy will die before the sudden chocolate rain. The school books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The prisons make you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. That's all you get.
You sound like the guy who actually sang it.
I give you 9 out of 10.
Dude, that was legend.
Oh my god, here.
I don't even care if I lose all on GME now. That was worth it hearing Chocolate Rain in person.
Facts.
How many of you fucking gorillas are in fucking Robin Hood still?
Me.
Not me. I'm in
How many of you attempted to transfer over?
I'm not transferring to. I'm afraid I'm gonna miss something.
That's why, dude, I'm still in it too. But I am fucking. Who the fuck's
Someone's
calling?
getting a call.
Who the fuck is calling?
Someone's calling.
Who the fuck is that? Hello?
Dad, you've been calling for 13 years.